Hello and welcome to a new video. This video is titled CONCHADA Part 1 because it's divided into two parts. This first part is dedicated to this figure, Hinrich Weller. Hinrich is a military medic in the SS Frundsberg Division in Arnhem, 1944. CONCHADA is a village in Travanca do Mondego, a Portuguese town in the municipality of Penacova. I spent a few days in a spectacular hotel with this amazing view, and took this box containing two figures with me, but I'll only talk about the doctor figure in this video.
Don't forget to take your medicine.
Hinrich is a field medic, or in German a Sanitäter, or Sani for short, which refers to medics who provided medical care on the battlefield. These medics were part of regular infantry units and received specialized medical training. He's equipped with combat-ready medical equipment to save the lives of his wounded comrades. He has a large equipment box on his right side and a first aid pouch on his left. Let's see what's inside. This German Sanitäter first aid pouch includes a variety of bandages, medications, and even leaflets with first aid instructions. I won't take out the little pieces because otherwise I'll have a lot of work putting them back in the right place. But you get the idea. These are German World War II medical tag tiles. German doctors used tags to indicate the condition of an injured or treated soldier. These tags were essential for documenting medical conditions and ensuring continuity of care in chaotic battlefield environments. I made them with print paper glued to cardboard and with a string to wear around the neck. Like this. The large box has nothing inside but air and cardboard for volume. On the back is this canteen, not the original to the figure. I created it based on an old 21st century canteen. It looks pretty good to me. This is a metallic field grey Verbenkasten, a large medical box used by vehicle crews or groups of soldiers, made by me out of cardboard and metal. Looks good to me. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. He still has this carry-on bag that must carry medical equipment. I couldn't identify this one or the other leather bag. But if it's real, this Sanitäter is well loaded and ready for the front. If you know these two bags, please let me know in the comments. Since this figure wasn't purchased complete, I had to create the missing pieces, such as this Red Cross armband. It turned out well. The helmet is plastic and weathered to look nice. The rest is standard equipment for a German soldier of that era. Since he's an SS man, he wears a camouflage tunic. He have field grey pants and fabric gaiters. I also painted the plastic boots to make them look better. The head sculpt is very good. Very realistic. This is a 2005 edition. I don't have the box, and some of the equipment is missing. I'll show you how it looks complete with images from the internet. This is Hinrich on the official Dragon website. This is him at machinegun-figures.com. As you can see, he's not available. If you find one of these, buy it. He's very rare, but he's excellent and looks great in any collection. I'm very lucky to have him. Now and to finish the video, some detail images. Did you notice he has a pistol in his right hand? That's right. The pistol is part of the original set. It wasn't at all advisable for a sanitäter to carry weapons because he could be seen as a threat and, as such, a target for the enemy to take down. But it's part of the set. This isn't the original pistol in the set, it's one of my spares. I don't think I have anything else to say about this custom figure of mine. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Thank you.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.